Hello, this is Ahmad Mirabi. I'm going to teach a sample of elementary mathematics. It is about operations with time. It is usually taught in 3rd grade or 4th grade or upper grades, depending on the level of students. Okay, so let's do the example problems and then I'll explain during solving the example. A start time and end time are given. Find the elapsed time. So here the start time is 8:26 and end time is 11:04. The elapsed, we want the elapsed time, so this is a subtraction operation with time. So I need to do subtraction. So I write down like this, 11. So the hour is 11 and the minute is 04 minus 8:26. And then I start to do the subtraction. I cannot take 6 out of 4, therefore I need to take from the tens. Here we have no tens, so I go to the hour. I want to take 1 hour and add to the minutes, so it's clear that if 1 hour is taken from here, 60 minutes will be added to the minutes. So it is 64 now. So we can say 1 hour will be turned into 6 times 10 hours. This is tens of hours. Okay, now again we cannot work with 4, so I take 1 from the tens digits and 10 will be added to the ones digits. Now I can take 6 out of 14, it will be 8. I can take 2 out of 5, which will be 3. And of course I can take 8 out of 10, which will be 2. So the final answer is 2 hours and 38 minutes. So 2 hours and 38 minutes. And of course if we add these together, 8:26 plus 2:38 will get 11:04. Okay, another one. The start time and end time are given. Elapsed time is asked. Okay, so here we have PM, here we have AM. I turn this PM into the 24-hour format. So instead of writing 4:29 p.m., I write 16:29. So I subtract it by 5:56. Now 6 can be taken out of 9, but 5 cannot be taken out of 2. Again I need to take 1 from hour, so I need 1 hour here. Let me rewrite this as 15 hour here. So when 1 hour is broken, 6 tens of minutes will be added, or 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. So I turn this 2 into 8. Why? Because 20 minutes will turn into 80 minutes right now. So it's important we understand that each hour is 60 minutes. It's not the case that if 1 is taken from the hour, 10 will be added to the next digit. No, it's a different story when working with time. When 1 is taken from the hour, 6 tens of minutes will be added, or 60 minutes will be added. Now I can continue the subtraction. So the subtraction will go like this. 5 out of 15 is 10, 5 out of 8 is 3, So 10 hours and 33 minutes is elapsed. 10 hours and 33 minutes is elapsed. Okay. Now, there's some other operations with time here as an exercise. Let's do them. Do the following operations. This is an addition, so let me write it here. 4:30 plus 5:45. So 0 and 5 is 5. 3 plus 4 is 7, but it's inappropriate to write 75 minutes. The minutes shouldn't exceed 60. That's why I write 1 here, and 1 hour will be added to the hours, because every 60 minutes is an hour. I took 6 from this and added 1 to the hour. Now the result will be 10 hour and 15 minutes. The next one, division by 2. Division by 2 is simple. Here 4 hours and 40 minutes. So the result is 2 hours and 20 minutes, because each part can be easily divisible. Each part is easily divisible by 2. So we can divide each part. Hour divided by 2, 2. Minutes divided by 2, 20. That's all. Okay, the next one is a multiplication. Multiplication is repeated addition. For example, I can add 215, 215, and 215. So I can rewrite this addition 3 times. And if I write it 3 times, it's the same as a multiplication, of course. Okay, so this will be 45 and this will be 6. So I could simply multiply each part. 3 times 2 hours is 6 hours. 3 times 15 minutes is 45 minutes. Okay, and if the minute exceeds 60, then again every 60 minutes can turn into 1 hour, and like this. You can go forward like this in the multiplication. Here we have a division by 2, but this time the hour is not divisible by 2. In fact, 3 hours divided by 2 will be 1 hour 30 minutes. And 12 minutes divided by 2 will be 6 minutes. So 12 minutes divided by 2 will be 6 minutes. So now I can add these together to say that it is 1 hour 36 minutes. 3 hour 12 minutes divided by 2 will be 1 hour 36 minutes. Okay, the next one. So I can say here again, 4 is not divisible by 3, but I know that 3 is divisible by 3. 1 hour is again divisible by 3, so I can say 4 hour divided by 3 will be 1 hour and 20 minutes, and 12 minutes divided by 3 will be 4 minutes. So adding these together, because 4 hour and 12 minutes are added together, so we need to add these together, the result will be 1 hour and 24 minutes. Another way to do this is to give 1 hour, because 4 is not divisible by 3, so I give the 1 hour to the minutes, so I can rewrite 4 hour and 12 minutes as 3 hour and 72 minutes. This way, 3 hours is divisible by 3 and 72 minutes is divisible by 3, so this is another way to do this division. We have another subtraction here. Let me do this subtraction. 534 minus 145. Here we cannot take 5 out of 4, so I take 1 from the tens digits. 5 out of 14 will be 9. I cannot take 4 out of 2, so I take from hour. 1 hour will turn into 60 minutes. Pay attention here. It's important we understand here that every hour is 60 minutes, so if you take 1 from the hour digit value, 6 will be added to the tens of minutes. Okay, so now 4 out of 8 will be 4. I can check the result. For example, here 4 hour, I can add 1 hour 45 minutes by 3 hour 49 minutes to check if the final answer is correct. Here 4 hours, and then this is 1 hour 20, yeah, and this is 14 minutes, 4 hours and 5 hours and 34 minutes is correct. Okay, so the final answer is 3 hour 49 minutes. Okay, so this is an addition, and this is a final multiplication. Let me do these two as the last items. 334 plus 445. So here we have 9, here we have 7. We cannot have 7 here. I told you why, because 79 minutes is inappropriate, so I take 6 of tens digits in the minutes to be 1 hour. I mean, I took 60 minutes to be 1 hour. Now I can add these together to say the final answer is 8 hour and 19 minutes. Okay, here is another example. 2 times 2 hour and 55 minutes. Okay, 2 times 2 is 4 hour. And 2 times 55 minutes is 110 minutes. But 110 minutes is inappropriate way of writing. So let me rewrite it like this. 4 hour, 110 minutes. So I take 60 minutes from this to be 1 hour, so the answer is 5 hour and 50 minutes. Whenever the minute exceeds 60, I can take 60 out of it and add to the hours. Okay, this was a short teaching about operations with time. Bye bye for now.